For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you're looking for a Father's Day gift that feels meaningful and actually gets used every day, I'd suggest checking out the Stuhrling Original Legacy Men's Automatic Watch. I came across this watch while researching affordable automatic timepieces, and after gifting it to my dad last year, I can tell you, it's the kind of gift that sticks. What makes it special is the skeleton-style dial. You can see the entire mechanism ticking inside, and if your dad's anything like mine, curious and hands-on, he'll spend a few minutes just watching it work. It gives off this mechanical charm that's both functional and fascinating. The watch runs on automatic movement, which means it uses your wrist's natural motion to power itself. My dad liked that it didn't need a battery, just wearing it keeps it going. That simplicity makes it practical for someone who doesn't want to fiddle with settings all the time. It also has a genuine leather strap, American-made, 24 mm wide, and alligator embossed. It's soft but sturdy. My dad wears it while out for coffee or even with a casual dress shirt, and it always looks good. The 46 mm stainless steel case gives the right amount of presence without being over the top, and the see-through back adds a nice finishing detail. For those of you wondering about reliability, Stuhrling includes a comprehensive international warranty, which gave me confidence before buying. I also saw this model featured on a couple of watch blogs while comparing entry-level automatics, and it consistently came up as a solid choice under $200. Bottom line, if you want to give something thoughtful that combines looks, function, and a bit of craftsmanship, this watch delivers. It's a gift with presence, and every time my dad wears it, I know I got it right. That feeling? Totally worth it.